Welcome to JH. In this video, I will teach you how to check your Google Form history. This is a particularly useful skill if you often find yourself needing to review responses you have submitted to ensure you know exactly what information you shared. Let's dive right in. First, you will need to access the Google Forms website. You will be prompted to sign in if you aren't already. Simply enter your email address, click Next, type in your password, and hit Sign In. This is a straightforward process that ensures you are securely logging into your Google account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the specific Google form you are interested in. It might take a moment to find the right one if you have many, but click it to open it up once you do. With your form open, head into the settings to find the history. Look for the settings option and click it to open the configuration menu. Within this menu, click on the Responses tab. This is where Google Forms aggregates all the responses your form has received, including your own. Now, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on the first one. This action brings up several filtering options for your responses. From the options that appear, click on Verified. This ensures you are looking at responses authenticated by Google, adding an extra layer of authenticity to your data. Next, notice the second drop-down menu and click on it. This further refines your view. By selecting Always, you set your preferences to consistently show verified responses, making future navigation much easier. Lastly, understand that reviewing your history after submitting a form acts as a backup copy of your answers. It is a smart way to keep a record of important submissions. By following these steps, you can efficiently check your Google Form history and stay on top of the information you have shared. This is useful for both personal and professional use, providing a clear overview of your data. Keeping track of the information you share online is vital, and with this guide, you are well equipped to do just that.